What's good, YouTube? Prepping these to get them installed this weekend. It's a front gusset kit, 3-piece. I waited on painting this one. This one comes like with a powder coat already. The reason I'm painting them is mainly because once they're installed, you really won't be able to know what part was installed. They don't come painted. It's just some metal parts. This one's the only one that has like a gray powder coating. I'll probably just give it a few passes with this one. It's the closest one I found for the Octane Blue. And plus, once installed, they don't have to really match. I know the color's off a little bit, but these parts you really won't get to see much. And then they'll probably, by the time they get dirty and stuff, you can't even tell they're a different color. That's the first paint coat on the main gusset. Probably do about 3 coats before I throw the clear coat on it. Got this set drying out outside. I live in Arizona, so it's about 100 degrees out here. Can-Am's all done. We ended up doing the shock flip, chalk tower race, signature lights. Shock therapy sway bar links. And bump steer delete kit from Shock Therapy. There's a front gusset, Assault Industries. And the second part. And the last one's way down there. That blue one. We ran a winch. I haven't wired it. We installed the AFX from winch bumper. Winch lines in there. It was a pretty big job. Took us about maybe 8 hours. We already tested it out. We just have to officially get it aligned.